Located on the rugged coast, the Lighthouse Point Estate stood as a symbol of maritime history, but had long fallen into disrepair. The overhaul began with a mindful preservation of its historic lamp chamber, now an exquisite living room with sweeping ocean views. Expert craftsmen worked tirelessly, replacing weather-beaten stone and restoring the once imposing silhouette of the tower. A modern glass extension was thoughtfully added, blending old with new and offering residents a panoramic sea vista. Lush gardens replaced barren grounds, creating serene outdoor retreats, effectively turning the isolated beacon into a breathtaking private sanctuary. This transformation honors both its legacy and its future, making it a landmark of rejuvenation.